and welcome to an Angekis tutorial on exposure and lighting controls. Right now, we're using the default settings, so the exposure controls are set to automatic. I set up a big studio lamp right next to this color checker to try to make the image just a little bit too bright. In order to take manual control over our exposure settings, we open the menu, and then we go to exposure. By default, exposure mode is in automatic, and we want to change this to manual. This gives us a lot of granular control options, such as controlling the shutter, the iris, and the gain. And right now, I'm going to change the iris to make the image just a little bit darker. There we go. Looks great. However, if we exit the menu now, these changes will become universal. If I go to another preset, it will retain these exposure settings. This might make another section maybe a little bit too dark. In order to make these settings specific only to this preset, I need to change the PTZ settings. So I go back into the menu, and I go down to PTZ settings. And here, I go down to Preset Save AE and AW. By default, it's off, and I want to turn that on. Great. Now, when I save a preset, it will also save the exposure settings specific to this preset.